WhatsApp just made group chats smarter. With the new member tags feature, you can add a custom label to your profile so everyone in the group instantly knows your role. Here's how to set it up. First, open WhatsApp and go to the group chat where you want to add a tag. Tap the group name at the top of the screen to open the group settings. Scroll down until you see the members list. Next to your name, look for the Add Member Tag option. If you don't see it yet, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. The feature is still rolling out and may not be available to everyone. Tap Add Member Tag. Type in the label you'd like to use. This could be your job title, department, or any identifier that helps others know who you are. For example, you might enter Video Editor. You'll see a preview of how your tag will appear in the group. Once you're happy with it, tap Save in the top right corner. That's it. Your member tag will now appear under your name in the group chat for everyone to see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.